It's 9:30 in the morning, and he's still zonked out. But we gotta wake him up, so otherwise he won't sleep later. Austin! 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 Sweetheart! Honey! I'm over here. Hi. Oh, I can't unzip this with one hand. Good morning, sleepy face. Oh, no, I don't like it when I have to wake you up either. It's always better when you wake up by yourself. It's always better. Oh, what a pitiful little cry. Don't worry, you'll be able to take a nice nap this afternoon. No, you can't go back to sleep. Oh, how about some milk? Do you want your milk? There we go. That's better. That's better. I'm going to set this down for a minute so I can unzip them. Next arm. Next arm. There we go. Now we're ready. Well, you slept good. You know you're cute, Austin. It's your bear? Is that your bear? Is that your favorite bear? Oh, thank you. Whoops. Thank you. Oh, yes, it's so nice to cuddle with the bear. Look who's come to join us. Do you see Casey? Do you see Casey? What does Casey say? Casey says, woof, woof. She says, woof, woof. Well, this is what my mornings look like. It just happened a lot later this morning. Okay, Austin. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Very good. Oh, both-handed bye-bye. That's great. That's a wonderful bye-bye.